Hi guys, today I'm in Centralia, Washington, and I wanted to share this really unique accommodation that I found, the McMenamins Olympic Club. Let's check it out.
McMenamins is a family-owned chain of brew pubs, breweries, and historic hotels located throughout Oregon and Washington. And their Olympic Club location is a landmark of Centralia, Washington's historic downtown. This former gentleman's resort dates back to 1908, when it catered to a male-only clientele, stating that ladies' patronage was not solicited. Crowds of miners and loggers visited the club, often arriving via the nearby railway depot. Patrons were provided with amenities including a barber shop, shoe shine, cafe, bar, card room, pool room, and a cigar stand alongside the Oxford Hotel, which was built in 1913. The Olympic Club's running poker games attracted colorful characters with the likes of Tacoma Iron Mike, One-Eyed Tony, John the Greek, and Centralia's police chief was also known to be a regular player. Because of this close relationship with law enforcement, the club was able to survive the Prohibition era, importing bootleg liquor from Canada and earning the proprietor Jack Seattle the nickname the King of Bootleggers. The Olympic Club remained much the same for the next 90 years until McMenamins acquired the historic saloon in 1996. Today, the site consists of a pub, a bar, a movie theater, and hotel accommodations. The Olympic Club pub remains much the same as it has for the past 100 years, with the original bar, pool tables, and other features like the wood stove. This is a great place to grab a meal, hit up happy hour, or enjoy one of McMenamins ales while playing a few games. And be sure to stop by the restrooms and check out the amazing historic urinal. Right next door is the new tourist bar, which originally opened in 1913 as the saloon for the newly completed hotel building, but was forced to close down when Washington State went dry in 1916. Today, the revived bar serves a variety of tasty beverages and acts as a concession for the movie theater. The theater itself occupies a space originally used as a men's clothing store and is one of the few theater pubs in the state of Washington, meaning that you can grab a meal and enjoy a beverage while seated on one of the theater's comfy couches. And sitting above all of this is the renovated hotel, which reopened in 2002 after being closed for many years. And in typical McMenamins style, the accommodation has been rethemed, full of unique artwork, highlighting the history of the town and its colorful characters. The hotel offers modest accommodations reflecting its historic roots, including king, queen, and bunk bedrooms, which all share common bath and shower facilities conveniently located down the hall. When it was built in 1913, it was classified as a railroad hotel, referring to the fact that it was located near a train depot and catered to rail travelers. Guests today will still hear the whistle of freight trains that pass along the nearby tracks, although McMenamins has provided earplugs in each room to help light sleepers. You can also help yourself to a mug of coffee, which was brewed at the McMenamins Coffee Roastery, or take a walking tour of the property, highlighting some of the historic events that have happened on site. In 1921, notorious train robber Roy Gardner was captured in one of the hotel's rooms after escaping federal guards just days earlier. Gardner was escorted from the hotel by authorities and taken to the McNeil Island Federal Prison, where he promptly escaped once again. Gardner later went on to have a stay at Alcatraz, as described in his autobiography, a signed copy of which can be found here. In fact, each room is named after one of these historical figures. Ours was a tribute to Don Schultz, who worked here as a waiter, shoe shiner, card room boy, and pool room clerk during the 1940s. Historic artwork lines the halls, like this portrait of one of the Olympic Club's regulars warming himself by the stove. And nearby is an article detailing the time that the club was held up by masked gunmen. The Olympic Club is an interesting stopover for history buffs and a must-do for those looking to fill up their McMenamins passport. If you're interested in finding out more about other McMenamins locations, check out my video on the Elks Lodge in Tacoma, Washington.
Thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed learning about the McMenamins Olympic Club. Until next time, remember to keep exploring.